There are only two things that I want to attach my camera to. One is a good sturdy strap, and two is the tripod for when I'm in the studio. And so I need a mount, a clip that goes under the camera that attaches to both. And I think I found one that does the job. The problem is it's been discontinued and you can't buy it anymore. This is the Peak Design capture clip. It's the version 2. So it's one version older than the one that's on the market at the minute, and it's designed to go on belts or on camera straps. Here I've attached one to a piece of seatbelt material because it's my favorite camera strap. But it's got one specific feature that the new one doesn't have, and it makes it usable on a tripod. The selling point of the capture clip, and it's pretty cool, is that the plate that's screwed into the bottom of your camera simply slots in when you need it to attach, and then you can press a button to slide the camera back off again when you need to. And they made two types that look almost identical, but one had a smooth back, there was nothing there, and then there's the more upscale version, and on the back there's a 3/8 threaded hole that you can adapt down to 1/4 inch, and that was useful for attaching things to it or attaching it to other things. Unfortunately, Peak Design's version 2 was copied and sold online as a knockoff. The designs were incredibly similar, and I think this was the reason that Peak Design upgraded to a version 3 and stopped selling the version 2 completely. You can't buy either of these things anymore. I'm not sure why Peak Design never made a dedicated clamp for a tripod head. Here's a 3-legged thing tripod with their ball head and an Arca mount. Arca's fantastic because it has a wide compatibility and you can get plenty of things that attach to it. And of course you can attach a capture clip compatible plate to the tripod head and it would work fine. It just doesn't fit in there super securely. And in newer versions, they've got pins underneath the plate from preventing it to drop out. But I wouldn't be able to use those plates on a capture clip when it's mounted on my strap. There is a way to connect the capture clip directly to the ball head. First, it's a case of unscrewing the current Arca clamp. We can't use the screw that held the old clamp down because the base of the capture clip is not countersunk, so that screw stands proud of the base. You won't be able to clamp the top down. So what we need is an adapter that can screw underneath the capture clip and into the tripod head. This is the adapter we need. It goes from a 1/4 inch 20 at the top to an M6 thread at the bottom. And the 1/4 inch 20 is just a little bit too long to fit into the capture clip without the top being able to clamp down. So with a metal file, I file down the top just a couple of millimeters so that it fits inside the clip. And now the M6 end can screw straight into the ball head, and the capture clip with its 3/8 to 1/4 inch adapter goes onto the end of that. And now my ball head is directly compatible with the plate that's on the bottom of my camera. The Peak Design slide strap is pretty neat. It's got these dongles that attach to the side of the camera, and it's pretty quick release how it attaches and detaches to the strap. But I've already got a plate attached to the camera for when I want to use it on a tripod. So it'd be nice if I didn't have to use the slide and could attach to a strap directly from the plate. And I'm pretty handy with a sewing machine and a needle and thread, so I got some seatbelt material wide enough that I could attach a capture clip to. That makes for a nice strap. And the bonus is it goes around your shoulder and the weight goes off your shoulder rather than around your neck like a regular strap. So it's really comfortable to hold the camera. I don't know why Peak Design chose to get rid of the threaded mount from the bottom of the capture clip. And the only way you can get these now is on the used market. But if you can find one, it's a fantastic way to have a single plate on your camera that can switch between your camera strap and your tripod with ease.